wedwa, Nkosi yakuzwa, Beka Kuye. Ungafihla ubuhlungu ngaphakathi, ungahlala uthule ngezinyembezi, lezo zinsuku ezimnyama zikhulume. Ungathwali wedwa mtanami, you don't have to carry it alone. Those heavy nights when hope is gone, there is a Father watching you with open arms to pull you through. Nika yenu sizi lwakho, nika yenu kwesaba kwakho. He cares more than you know. Let your weary heart let go. Impilo nzima kwesinye isikhathi, unzima ukukhuluma ngobuhlungu, kodwa ungazivali ngaphakathi, ungavumeli inhliziyo iqine. I know it's easier said than done to release the pain you've been running from, but every burden, every fear, the Lord is saying, bring it here. He is growing still. He will hold your heart until Beka Kuye Insizi, your father is carrying you.